In a narrow thread of land left over from a road expansion in Saitama, 2700 House by IGArchitects emerges as a poem in concrete. With only 2.7 meters of frontage and 16 meters deep, this modest home becomes an exercise in light, structure, and the delicate boundary between inside and outside. The form is a simple concrete box, lifted on 8 substantial concrete pillars. It appears heavy yet floating, with its mass hovering above the ground plane. Geometry is minimal, clean lines, a rectangular prism, yet punctuated by apertures, windows on all sides, and gaps that look like the box is pierced or articulated. The home is supported by 8 concrete pillars that lift the main volume above the ground, enabling a sense of lightness beneath, daylight and air, and giving the first floor spatial drama. A flexible plan, not rigidly zoned. As you enter, you move through a cave-like space with tall walls and large pillars. Then as you go deeper, windows come closer, providing more connection to outside. The kitchen, then dining, then living spaces flow sequentially but without strict walls between. The upper floor is more private. Ceilings are lower. Windows are more limited in size to create a cozier feeling. This becomes bedrooms, bathroom, and private retreats. Natural light enters from multiple directions. The south, north, and west sides are open, so windows are placed on all 4 facades. This maximizes daylight, reduces reliance on artificial lighting. Finishes seem raw, concrete, perhaps polished or left in its natural texture. Few materials selected to avoid visual clutter. Floor level changes add texture and variation, making space more dynamic. Furniture is scattered rather than fixed. Zones are ambiguous. One piece of furniture might act as dining bench, another might mark off a hallway. This ambiguity gives flexibility and a sense of movement. Despite its narrow frontage, the house connects to outside environment via windows on all sides. The openness to south, north, and west helps bring in views and environmental responsiveness. (2700) House is architecture of paradox. Narrow in width yet expansive in feeling. Heavy in concrete yet soft in light. Private above yet open below. It teaches that constraints can become character. That minimal frontage doesn't mean minimal experience.